Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, answering a question that you have left me. I'm going to make a quick video explaining the color of the smoke that comes out of the exhaust, what causes it. Let's see. If smoke comes out white, that is water vapor. It is having a leak inside the water engine, either through the cylinder head or cylinder head gasket, and the water that is used to cool the engine itself manages to reach the combustion chamber in there. Due to the high temperature, while the engine is running, it evaporates and is what causes that white smoke. If it comes out blue, what happens is that it is burning oil. It could be due to a crack in the cylinder head, it could be a crack in the cylinder head gasket, or it could be due to wear of the piston rings. Oil leaks through there, burns, and then comes out through the exhaust, also due to wear of the valve seals. And if smoke comes out black, as this is due to poor combustion of gas fuels, gasoline or diesel, that's because that mixture lacks air. It doesn't make that mixture well, and that's why that black smoke would come out. Well, I hope this video has clarified any doubts, and if so, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.